The Crow and the Clever Fox. One day, a crow found a piece of cheese. She was very happy. She flew to a tree and sat on a branch. She held the cheese in her beak. A fox was walking under the tree. He saw the crow and the cheese. He wanted the cheese very much. The fox thought of a trick. He looked at the crow and said, "Oh, beautiful crow, your feathers are so black and shiny. You are the most beautiful bird." The crow felt proud. She listened carefully. Then the fox said, "I am sure your voice is also very sweet. Please sing a song for me." The crow was very happy. She wanted to show her voice, so she opened her beak to sing. The cheese fell down. The fox quickly took the cheese and ran away. He smiled and said, "Thank you, Crow." The crow felt sad. She understood her mistake. Moral: do not trust sweet words too quickly.